Hi everyone, it's Bill. I'm your Drunken Sailor. You have found the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. If you've never been here before, this is the place where we make easy, delicious cocktails. And as you can see, today is the day for wearing of the green. You guessed it, it's St. Patrick's Day. Well, I have a twist on a great cocktail that's going to fit perfectly. So join me as we make the Celtic Fizz. Let's get pouring. This classic cocktail is a riff on a gin and tonic. And as I said, it's a few simple ingredients. First off, we have some gin, we have some elderflower liqueur, and last, we've got some tonic and lime juice. A gin and tonic with a little bit of a kick. First thing that's going in that glass is going to be 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're gonna use fresh because fresh is always best. Next thing going in there is going to be our elderflower liqueur. And we're using St. Germaine's today. We're going to use 1 ounce. If you've ever seen the channel before, you'll know that my rule of thumb with elderflower is if you put it in there, the cocktail is always tasting better. Our third ingredient going in there is gin. Now today I'm using a London dry gin. I realized as I was prepping for this, I don't have an Irish gin in the house. So I want you to let me know in the comments, do you have a favorite Irish gin? Let me know, I can go look for it. We're going to use 2 ounces. That's everything I've got going into the shaker. We're going to add some ice, give it a shake, and chill it down. Oh, it'll be great. It's starting to look like St. Patty's Day around here. Now we've got a nice frosted coupe. That's going to help keep our drink cool. And simply, we're going to strain that into the coupe. Now normally with fruit juices, you will double strain. What I usually do is when I squeeze my fruit, I'll strain the pulp out of it then. We're almost to the top of the glass, but we still have a little bit room. I did say it's a riff on a classic gin tonic. So we're going to top that off with some tonic water. Now what we're going to do is garnish. Now before I garnish, actually what I do is I'm going to take a piece of lime peel and I'm just going to express some oils around there. We're going to rub the glass with it. It's going to put a little bit more of that lime flavor on there. And then we've got a lime peel twist. Just give it a pull apart and you lay that on top of the glass. And there you have today's cocktail, the Celtic Fizz. Let's give it a taste and see how it is. You've got those nice crisp botanicals from that London dry gin. We've got the elderflower, which just kind of smooths it up and gives it a nice floral bouquet to it. That lime brightens it right up. And that little bit of fizz with the tonic makes this one a winner. Salante!